all of it. All of the food, 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 man, all of the food.
Yeah, so it's your boy Richardson, and this is episode one of African symbols in contemporary media, culture, society, whatever you want to say. So the whole purpose of this series will be solely to debunk the myth that's been perpetuated, being that black people, people of African descent, do not, cannot, and have not made any contributions to society or the world as a whole, and basically spit all over that myth that black people are basically no good and don't have anything to offer humanity as a whole. So let's get the video started. So right now you see gameplay footage from a game called Kingdom Hearts, and it's the topic for this episode because it borrows African symbology in the symbol that it uses for the Heartless. So if you're not familiar with the game, a Heartless is basically a being who is consumed by darkness or whatever, and the protagonist runs around with a keyblade and he goes around freeing the hearts from the darkness. And the symbol for the Heartless, which I'll put up on the screen later, is derived directly, literally like more or less plagiarized from African symbol known as the Sankofa. So let's throw up some images. So yeah, they're like literally the exact same thing. It's obvious which one came first. So Sankofa is a word in the Twi language of Ghana that translates to go back and get it, and also refers to the Asante Adinkra symbol, represented either with a stylized heart shape, the one we just saw, or by a bird with its head turned backwards while its feet face forward, carrying a precious egg in its mouth. Sankofa is often associated with the proverb So wo were fi na wo Sankofa ayenki. Sorry if I said that wrong. Which translates as, it is not wrong to go back for that which you have forgotten. In addition to being used on Adinkra cloth in Ghana, the Sankofa heart is a common design on gates in the United States, particularly New York City. In Brooklyn, the Sankofa heart is commonly upside down on gates to brownstone residential buildings. So yeah, that'll basically conclude the discussion on the Sankofa, its significance, meaning how it's been remixed, distorted, and used in societies that basically just don't have the best interests of the African people at heart. So hope you found the video interesting, hope you learned something, and by no means I'm no authority or SME on any of this. Just you know, Google some stuff, you'll find out, and have a blessed day, man. Peace. Oh, sorry. Have a blessed day, brothers, sisters. Yeah, peace.